This is a culmination of a lot of great little skills that you can do with your children. First, all of these can be made out of either colored or painted paper from your children. So if ahead of this activity you don't feel like you have already pre-painted paper or coloring, that's really full, you can do that activity with your children. You can do red watercolor, you can just do purple or red crayons and have this ready so you can have paper. So if you, even back in September, we did red watercolor. If you saved that, you can grab that out and use that to make this. And then our activity for our main lesson day 1 is to be cutting out and punching these little hearts. Now, my favorite way to do this doesn't involve a specific tool. My favorite way to do this is this heart punch. It's just a little heart, and then the children can just punch it down and make a heart, and it's really nice and easy for them. Again, an alternative is if you want to fold the paper and just guide them along, cutting half of the heart out and then unfold to make a full heart. You can do that as well. So that's one of these, use what you have, assess the skill level of your children. If you think this is going to be easier, one little tip for this, just make sure fingers are up because you don't want fingers to get caught when they punch. So little safety tip there. Now, if you are using painting paper and the punch, you're gonna have to really chunk it down. So you might wanna help them with that. So if you want to plan ahead to use drawing paper, that punches through really easily. So just keep that in mind. And then once they're cut out, then you can have a normal hole punch and you can guide them to hole punch to little holes in the round parts of their hearts. So our activity for day 1 is preparing these little hearts. So grab any other colored paper you have, get ready to punch them out, and then punch the little holes, and then set them aside for the next day. And then the next day, we're actually stringing our hearts. So this is another great opportunity for needlework, those fine motor skills, pre-writing skills, yarn and a blunt needle, and they get to sew their way through to make their little heart garland. So another easy thing that they can do to make their own crafts and make a decoration that they can see on their house. When children see something that they made celebrated in their home, it really makes them feel so confident, so seen, and like they belong, and that what their value just gets confirmed for them. So I really love having them make something and hang it up on display. And of course, most parents do, but it's just a reminder that when they get to see something they made in their home, it really makes them feel special and that they really belong. So a really simple one for them to do, guiding that blunt needle with yarn through those hearts that they made.